Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from JOBO Technology. Today, I'm gonna show you JOBO's new factory. Our new factory covers an area of 50,000 square meters, with an R&D building in the front, 2 production buildings in the middle, and 2 dormitory buildings for our workers in the back. Here, you can see our R&D center building. It is 5,000 square meters. And we will equip it with the most advanced testing equipment for complete bike, frames, and spare parts like forks and handlebars, etc. The production capacity of the frame factory is about 300,000 in the year 2021, and it will be 400,000 by the year 2022. Behind the R&D building, it is our production building A and B for bikes and frames. All trucks will go from our west gate. The income parts and containers will be loaded and unloaded in this rainproofed area, so you never worry about loading in a rainy day. First floor of building B is our frame factory. T4 is installed already. Some of the facilities are arrived. Some are on the way. All of them will be ready by the end of October. Our team members are always very rich experience in making frames, 5 to 30 years in this area. They have been making frames for many big brands like Gazella, Batavas, and Decathlon. The production capacity of the frame factory is about 30,000 in the year 2021, and it will be 40,000 by the year 2022. Our painting line is on the 3rd floor. We will be able to paint 800 bikes a day. After the frames are painted, the hanging conveyor will take the painted frames from 3rd floor to 2nd floor, and the spare parts from 1st floor to 2nd floor, and then we will be able to assemble our bikes on 2nd floor workshops. Our workshops will have 3 assembling lines in the beginning, and we will have space for the 4th and 5th assembling line. The production capacity of our new workshop is about 30,000 bikes a month. And on the right side of the workshop, it is the riding lane about 200 meters long, making sure all the bikes are perfectly tested and ridden before they are packed. We have 2 packing lines for bikes and 1 packing line for spare parts. Behind the 2 production buildings, there are 2 dormitory buildings. They can accommodate 500 JOBO employees. By the end of January, we're going to move into our new factory. It is so exciting. I cannot wait for that.